Hey yo, it's evening time and we are just out for a walk. Here is my roommate Shreya. अब हम जा रहे हैं वॉक करने के लिए, नेचर का शीतलता लेने के लिए जा रहे हैं। ऐसे रूम में तो ऐसे गर्मी है कि कितना गर्मी है बता। बहुत। और खाना कैसा मिल रहा है ये भी बताओ। इसका तबीयत खराब हो गया है एकदम। So hey guys, right now I've just done with 8-minute walk in this, grass like barefoot. That is some kind of therapy. I feel like that, and I'm just here to remind you that you have forgotten about breathing deeply. So let's breathe deeply 3 times. Okay, if you wish, you can breathe more than 3 times. So let's get started. After all, taking a long breath and holding it, like this feels even another next level. This is just calm me and give me all the peace. And let me tell you about today's day. Today I have a very, acha din. I try to make it little, 100% kind of day, but like 100% nahi hua, but still I tried it, and like almost I was on 80%. So like day by day I can be more productive. I trust myself with this. I have faith and hope, like endless hope. So this is the thing, and still I'm trying because in a new place, adjusting and is like all new. Like still I'm adjusting, and even I haven't like till yet I haven't have any problem with my roommate. So that is just fine. I feel like I'm grown up right now. I feel like I'm grown up, like I don't have that kind of ego or feel anger or feel anything, such kind of. When I was in hostel or like, when I was, when I was in higher secondary, I was like, when I was in higher secondary, I was like, I have some kind of anger issue or like I don't know. Maybe people out there are like that, or maybe I only was suffering from anger issue. Like it's kind of disease, it's kind of sickness. So right now I don't have. So I'm just happy to have this maturity level right now. So yeah, like it's already dark hone laga hai. So I need to get back to my room. I need to again have to make that 100% thing. Here's my black beauty friend. Doggy! Doggy! ठीक है ना, जूम इन यार। ये फ्रंट कैमरा के पास भी जूम इन का ऑप्शन होना इज वेरी नेसेसरी। श्रेया, गिव योर ओवरव्यू। हाउ डू यू फील? इसका आज फर्स्ट टाइम है। रूम से निकलती ही नहीं है ये। रूम में रहना ही पसंद है। आ जाके बहुत अच्छा लग रहा है। और बोलो, कुछ बोलना है? So hey guys, right now it's going to be 11 p.m. and like it's time to go to bed. And actually after coming from ground, I was quite busy with my own self, doing all the chores that I need to. Like I'm a student, so like all about studies. So I'm just here to end this vlog. So thank you for watching. I hope you guys like it, and like I hope you guys hit the like button, share and subscribe to my channel, for like it will notify you to it will notify when I upload a new video. So thank you for watching. Bye bye. Take care. Much love. Stay safe. Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to the channel Tiny Bits. So right now it is 6:30 and I'm out in this ground. As you can see, I'm walking barefoot. Like I've already told you, this is just a kind of therapy. Like you must guys try this. You know, this is a therapy. Like I'm not preaching, but like I'm just saying this. If you want to try, you can try it. You know, it's like as I told you, like walking barefoot in this green grass is kind of therapy. Like it's because like we are in living in a very civilized culture right now, and we barely go and touch this greenery and like mitti and all. Like अभी तो क्या मतलब मिट्टी टच भी करते हैं तो भाई गंदा लग गया जल्दी से जाके धो लेते हैं. It's kind of this, like but उसकी वजह से कई सारा problems नहीं रहते थे. पर अभी in this civilized and modern culture, trendy culture, what we can see, like mitti laga to like go wash it, like chee. Even I do like that sometimes. So abhi matlab iska matlab it's a kind of therapy because it can cure a lot of disease, like like the depression, the stress level, pressure. First and foremost, I just want to share that because I've just experienced this. And even the flow, blood circulation flow is controlled, properly controlled, because walking in this like matlab not lean or like matlab चुपता है ना कुछ कुछ चुपने के वजह से like the blood circulation also flows in control, so that is the thing. Or there are so many benefits of this. There are a lot of benefit of it, but while I was just sharing all of it, like therapy and all, like I'm not pro in it, but still I try to share what I do. And like sometimes I sound very preachy and very motivating kind of person, but deep down I also struggle a lot. And like if you don't like this, like sharing all of it, then please don't mind. I'm so sorry. Like I don't know what to say more. And before sharing you all, I like put in practice, and like then only I share things. So right now also, like it's been almost days, lot many days. That's why I share with you all. And like again I think कि like मेरे को लगा कि मतलब आप सबको बुरा भी लग सकता है ये सब बोलने से. Like like I just don't want to be preachy and motivating kind of person. I just want to implement on my own life. I just want to implement on my own life. That is the only form and foremost goal. That is the only goal that I aspire to do right now in this present time, because everybody will say do that, do this. It's just common, and like when I see them personally, like they really don't implement in their life. So that is the thing. Like I just don't want to be that fakey kind of person. I just want to be just real, not perfect. That is the thing. And I try to learn things. Like actually we are not who we are. Like we just influence from some person. Like abhi to itna sara matlab stuff hai, social media hai. We are not just learning from our environment or our home or our friend circle. We are just learning even from this social media. So that takes a lot of things. Like that's not just easy, like taking good always is not easy. So I'm sorry for being so preachy. बहुत टेस्टी हो गया है अब ये. मैं भैया के पास आई थी कि मैंगो देंगे बोले थे, तो लाइक hello guys, this is breakfast time. Ankita is with bread.
Take 2.
एंड हमारा रूममेट अभी तक उठी नहीं है। उनका फेस नहीं दिखाना है उनको। चलो मिलवाते हैं बाद में। और अभी हम लोग ब्रेड खाने वाले हैं। वैसे तो मैं मैंगो भी लेकर आई हूँ, देखो बहुत ढेर सारा मैंगोस, कच्चा मैंगोस वहाँ से। ये है हमारा विंडो और यहाँ से पूरा धूप रूम के तरफ आते हुए। लेट मी शो यू क्लियरली। एंड अभी वी डोंट हैव फैन, वी डोंट हैव फैन, दैट मीन्स नो लाइट एंड वी आर जस्ट स्ट्रगलिंग। विंडो खोलना इज़ मजबूरी। इतना बिजी हूँ कि व्लॉग नहीं कर पा रही हूँ, खाने का वीडियो दिखा रही हूँ। जैसे कि मेरे पास कुछ कंटेंट नहीं है तो आप सब यही देख लो। ये खा रहे हैं, ये मेहनत से काटा हुआ मैंगो, कच्ची मैंगो और चाना चनी के बोलते हो तुम लोग?
चीना बोलते हैं।
शाना गीता
चीनी बोलते
जो कि प्रयास कर रही है टेस्टी बनाने को।
हो जाएगा ना।